Greetings! In this video, I'll show you how you can develop a desktop app with a custom title bar using Electron. What I have here is the sample code provided in the Electron documentation. We'll run the code using npm start to see how a basic Electron app looks like. This app is rendering a simple HTML file here. If you want to debug this document inside Electron, after win.load, add win.webcontents.openDevTools. After doing so, we'll run this application again using npm start. As you can see here, we can now access developer tools like console and elements panes. Now we'll develop an Electron application from scratch. First, we need to initialize our folder using npm init-y. After the folder is initialized, type npm install electron --save-dev. With this package, we are installing pre-built Electron binaries. This process will take some time, so I am going to skip to the part where it's complete. Once done, type npm install electron-reload to load contents of all active browser windows within Electron when the source files are changed. We'll also add Electron Builder using npm install electron-builder --save-dev, which will help us package the app later. Note that you can add all three packages in a single npm install with space between all the packages. After this, in the package.json file, under scripts, remove the test parameter and add start with the value electron space full stop. Add another parameter build after start with the value electron build. Now inside your main directory, create a new directory or folder and name it src. This is where we'll store our website to be rendered by our Electron app. In the main directory, create two new JavaScript files, index.js and preload.js. Now inside src, make a new file and name it index.html. After doing so, click on the GitHub link in the description to copy the code for index.js and preload.js. The code is documented and self-explanatory to help make an app easier and faster. I am going to copy this code here and paste it into index.js in my main directory. As you can see here, I have not made any significant modifications to the code in the Electron documentation. With the following code, we are creating an Electron window of height 600 pixels and width 800 pixels. Note that we are using win.load file here to load a web page in the src folder. You can also use load URL to load a web page already deployed over the internet. Now I'll copy the code for index.html, which is a very simple HTML document with some CSS, and paste it into index.html inside src. I've used style tag to add some custom CSS to my document here. Now to test the code written so far, I'll type npm start, which will execute electron space full stop. What we have here is an electron window without a title bar, as we are yet to define that. Right now we are only loading our index.html file from src. Press Ctrl+C keys to exit. If you want to make any changes to the appearance of the web page, consider adding those in the index.html file. To add a custom title bar, we'll add another package with npm install custom electron title bar. With this package, we can create custom title bars like those in VS Code, WordPress desktop and Slack. From the GitHub repository, copy the code for preload.js, which defines our title bar. As you can see here, I've added custom background color to the title bar, and note that we can also add a custom icon. Type npm start. As you can see here, we have created an Electron app with a custom title bar. The title of the app will be fetched from the title of the HTML document. As you can see here, you can also expand the window as there are no dimension constraints. You can also visit the GitHub page of custom electron title bar package to explore more ways you can use to customize your title bar. Here you can find different parameters under options and updating elements under methods. Thank you for watching.